This garage floor has sunk dramatically over time, leaving cracks across the surface and creating a steep slope toward the walls. Along the foundation edges, the slab has dropped as much as 3.5 inches, producing uneven transitions and making the space unsafe and difficult to use. Water intrusion, added stress on the foundation, and progressive cracking are all common problems when concrete settles this severely. Without timely correction, the damage continues to worsen, eventually leading to far more extensive and costly repairs than most homeowners anticipate. Using our specialized equipment, we injected high-density polyurethane foam beneath the slab. As the material expanded, it gently yet powerfully raised the concrete back towards its original position. This modern technology provides unmatched strength, water resistance, and long-term durability compared to outdated alternatives such as mudjacking. By choosing polyurethane, homeowners secure the strongest warranty in the industry. With the lifting complete, the garage floor has been restored to its proper elevation. The improper slope and trip hazards have been eliminated, returning the space to safe and reliable use. Even with a floor that had dropped several inches, the entire project was completed in just a few short hours. At Acme, we have the specialized tools, advanced injection equipment, and technical expertise necessary to handle the unique challenges of lifting stubborn garage floors. We also provide one of the best warranties in the industry, ensuring long-term stability and customer confidence.